A very popular needle felting technique is sculptural felting. This is when that polyester fiber can come in handy to make an inexpensive core that the color of the actual object is needle felted on top of. Pipe cleaners also help to make a skeleton to felt around. Think about a human skeleton or an animal skeleton. It is the structure that holds us up. It works the same in felting. Making animals and cutesy objects are popular themes in needle felting, but it is always amazing to me how realistic people can get with their sculptural needle felting. Stephanie Metz is a sculptural needle felter and fibers artist. Stephanie does not make cutesy objects. Some of my favorites of her works are her teddy bear skulls. She creates these sculptures thinking about what a teddy bear skull would look like if they had skulls. Her goal is realism, so she does take measurements and works pretty mathematically. Go ahead and watch the rest of this video. Look at how she works and how she measures and checks things. It's important for realism to do these things.